Ay, wala na si Ay. Inside ka muna dun, Bi.
Sophia, come here. No, maybe you could be on the face. Come here.
Wow. Sa nest si baby.
Let's go!
Let's go, let's go. Come
She
on.
turned into a fairy.
Thank you.
Wow! Let's go to the plate. Ganda na!
Oh,
Wow!
mga tela.
Ang ganda!
Ganda. Morning sa inyong lahat. Ito po kami pupunta sa farm. Christmas farm. Yung puno. Yan na.
Discovery Land.
Discovery Land. Meron ko ba?
Discoveryland. Yun.
Go!
Pasok po kami dito sa Discoveryland. Ayan, bayad ng ticket. Ah, dito na kami.
Siya kaya ng Father Christmas.
May alin?
Pwede kay letter kay Santa. Laura,
Wow, may liter
you can
ka.
write the letter to Santa later,
Kay
yeah?
Santa.
Tingnan ko lang ito kasi baka wala yung mapa eh.
Discoveryland. Oh.
Ha? Something to eat after the trail.
Ang ganda, oh.
Ay, ang ganda oh.
Kaya nga, Discoveryland.
What?
Oh, ang ganda ah.
Sorry, Alice. I just got your message. I just got your where we could write. We're gonna follow the trail.
Discovery Farm.
Gingerbread man. Ooh, Discovery Land. Play the music.
Enjoying a coast gardening.
Okay, Gogs, press. Laura, we need to press the button to hear the song. Where is the button? Oh, one sunny spring after grandmother nature found Father Christmas relaxing in the wildflower arms while enjoying her coast gardening meeting. Flossie, have you seen the poinsettia seedling this year? Where is Press the button to hear the conifer bells. I wonder where's the button.
Ice of Jollibee.
Oh,
Para maganda eh.
wow.
Big strawberry. Fun.
Wow. Ayan na. Nakita ni Laura yung number 1.
I think there's 12 of these. Spruce up.
Spruce up this song with the most
Ay, kabasa. Tara mga po.
of all the trees. Are you ready? Feel a music adventure.
Wow.
Let's go.
Naghanap. Melody. Position.
Science.
Science.
Guess
Guess joy.
the jolly
The jolly ginger
from Jingle.
jingle from the
La 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 la. And show you the way.
Lyrics.
lyrics and show you the way.
Ooh.
Wow. Whoop. Mary.
Beauty Farm.
Priory Farm. Wow! The music garden. Oh my God, you became a gift.
Ayun, nakita nila.
Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Oh, Laura.
Tide.
Kite, fish, slide tonight.
Okay, come here. Let's pretend we are a gift. Parang sila. Mabilis sila eh.
I have to hear something.
Yeah, I can hear it too.
Ay, ang ganda.
Ganda no?
Oo. Ay, ito yung bulaklak na may laylay na violet. Wow, ang ganda. Lara, oh.
Can I read that?
Have invited me to bring their special
Ay, ang ganda.
song to life.
Ayun, ang ganda oh. Very nice. Are you a musician today? Are you playing me some music? Hello, Labubu. Go play some music.
Dito tayo, mamasyal.
Pasko.
Let me sing it alone. We are better, stronger, and lovelier together. Christmas from Mother Nature.
Woohoo! Oh, press the button, Lara.
Wow.
Hello, my little cherubs. Welcome to our musical trail. Fern, Timber, and Pebble have invited me to bring their special festive song to life for you. Now, don't let me and lovelier together.
Ito ba yun?
Goes. On the first Christmas where Mother Nature gave to me, Fern, Timber, have invited me to festive song.
Yeah.
Don't let me sing it alone. We are better, stronger, and lovelier together. So here it goes, little cherubs. Welcome to our musical trail. Fern, Timber, and Pebble.
Excited. Ang ganda nga. Ang paspas na. Paspas na nato ka po ka na.
Listen.
Oh. Ang ganda. Ayun na yung apo. Ah, ginaano niya sila Bobo. Pinapalakad niya. Ayos ito eh.
Maganda. Mabuti ba
Oh, ang ganda.
I'm gonna take my little boost.
Let's go. Cross. Oh my God, it's a bit tricky, Laura. Be careful. Use your balancing system. Use your balancing system. Are you using your balancing system? Go down the boots. Para this is going down.
Sila Bobo. Well done! Ano yan?
Hi.
Type of music.
It's a question. What is Father Christmas's favorite type of music? What is it? Rap music! Louder, Bella, so I can hear. like a year 6 when she reads. What?
Kaamara mahilig magbasa-basa ng mga kwan.
History.
Go girl. Go girl. Oh,
Wow.
okay, but don't fall down. Don't let Labubu. It's too big for Labubs, Laura.
Sige.
Ganda naman dito.
Parang sa Manduyog.
Oo, ganun dito sa Pilipinas na gawin nila, no?
Ay, ang laki naman ng...
Wala pang lupang malapad halos.
Tsaka walang maintenance.
At saka siyempre walang nagano.
Well done, Labubu. You can do it. You can do it. Keep
Walang
going.
nag
Keep going. Oh, almost
Op.
the final. Almost.
Op! At
Ito naman.
What is it? Did you
number 2.
with woody scaled coats?
I want to
Louder, because I don't know which one are you. I want to hear you. Ito yung bubuhay na parang parang bright na blue. Oh, Laura! Magical. Tingnan mo.
Saan? Ay,
Oh my God.
Sunflower.
Oh my God, this is so nice.
dami pala tong ano.
Ang ganda dito.
Oh.
Christmas Grandmother Nature gave to me 2 pine cones and a big Christmas tree for me. So, you found sing-along stop one.
Lahat.
Let's get singing! On the second day of Christmas, Grandmother Nature cones and a big Christmas tree for me.
That's it.
Wow. Nagidinokwa gid eh. To? Hmm? Iba-iba pala. Oh.
You found sing-along stop one, and you've come before.
Look at the bug hotel.
What is that? Oh!
You found sing-along stop
Whoop! Open na. What? Ay, may mga dahon pala ho. Kinabit, no? Ang ganda talaga.
again.
Oh.
On the third day of Christmas, Grandmother Nature gave to me 3 mistletoe, 2 pine cones, and a
Anong
big
birthday na pala
Christmas
to?
tree for me.
Hindi niya nabasa. Pagkagawa nila nito. Ang ganda.
That's on the third Day of Christmas.
Here we go again. On the third day of Christmas, Grandmother Nature gave to me 3 mistletoe, 2 pine cones, and a big Christmas tree for me.
Mga kahoy na. Ayan oh.
Very good talaga.
Ang ganda.
Tsaka yung mga puno ng kahoy, oh. Oh.
Oh, matibay talaga yan. Mga matagal na talaga yan.
Oo.
Matagal
Grabe.
talaga yan.
Here, Christmas tree for me.
Oh. Kaya pala may mga ano pa oh, may mga ano oh, parang mga hawla. Ano ba 'yan? Nest? Ayan oh. May mga nest ayan oh, nakakabit.
Here we go again. On the third day of Christmas, Grandmother Nature gave to me 3 mistletoe, 2 pine cones, and a big Christmas tree for me.
Yung gaganda mga unga eh. Akala mo namamas ko yung mga bata eh, naghahanap eh. Ayan naman oh, yung isa oh. Party Ferry.
Down in the size of fairy. So when you go there, you have a possibility to shrink. If you knock 3 times, you have to knock 3 times and listen carefully to hear the chimes. Spin around twice, come through, time to transform and find the magic in you.
So it's like,
Knock 3 times and spin 2
where do
times.
I knock?
Knock on the wood. Knock 3 times. And then spin 2 times.
Here.
Yeah. 1, 2. And then come through, Laura. Where's Laura? Ah, where is she? Where is Laura?
Hi! I don't know. Where's Laura? Laura, where are you?
Disappeared.
Hi.
Disappeared. Oh my
Disappeared si Laura ah.
Where is Laura? Ganda dito. Ay, ganda dito.
Ah!
Laura, here! Oh my
Oh!
You came back to life! I thought you disappeared! She almost turned into a fairy. Laura, this is the fairy playground. Gano?
Oh. Ay. Sobrang saya ni Laura. Number 4.
Baka meron ditong mga mushroom pala. No? Yung pala hinahanap.
We may be spiky,
But we are very cheerful.
very cheerful.
Oh, what could it be?
Bebe, ito.
Wait,